video editing is very helpful. For example, recently I do so many member spotlight videos because I used to use Adobe Premium, which is professional. It's complex, but it really takes a lot of time. I'm going to start a new. Okay. So if you want to start a video file, just video, just right now, just name video. And then you have the videos in the video. Let's just do this. Let's just record something. This is a very cool feature. Okay, let's record something. Testing. This is for the demo video, and there is a not. We're going to cut and combine. Blah blah blah. Okay. Save. Testing. This is for the demo video. And there is a not, we're going to cut and combine. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, okay, let's see. See, this is still loading, means it's not finished. Depends on your video. If it's big, it will take a little time to upload. Upload your video if you already have it on your computer. You can just drag and drop here, but you also can record something here. So I don't want this shape for my video. I want a regular shape. So you just pull here and set video as background because you are this will fill the whole screen. Okay. Okay. Now let's see which part we're going. So if I want to cut one part. Testing. This is for the demo video. So if I want to cut the front part, you can simply drag it, or you can do this. You pull it to here. You want to edit something, split the page. Split the page, and then, or if here I said something terrible, I don't want to show there, then I just drag it, cut it. You know?
I see.
Yeah. And also I can add something like, for example, this part, if it's bad, so I split it. This part, I can make the video, I can make the audio 0.
Oh, I see.
And then I can do some voiceover, means I record myself again to fill this blank, if it's possible, if I have to. Which it doesn't match. So the last time I tried is to put a like still image, and it feels like it's just the screen still, but the voice is behind. It's just if you have to do the voiceover. For example, we did before here, right? If we do public speaking, you don't know what this guy is talking about, but maybe today Bruce is here. I want Bruce to just say something to match, to say something. So that people don't know, right? So you can definitely do that. Made it more interesting. And basically that's it. And if you want to add some music to it, for example, the end of the shot, usually you add some music. So your audio, check audio, happy music or something like this.
Oh.
Okay, just for example, when. Okay, if you like this, then you just drag it here and position it. Okay, actually it's not short. It's just you can, oh, I don't know why it's this. Okay. Did you see if you want the whole
so
video?
Yeah, you're singing.
Yeah, okay. So this is, yeah, you can keep it. Okay, did you see this is maze, right? But you don't want, you only want to add a little bit background music. So you can do the volume to very low, depends on how low. So you can see now. Testing. This is for the demo. Did you see the other part that disappeared the audio, so that's why it didn't show up. And you can adjust it on its own, or you can bring it back. So this is a video. After it's done, you can just download
MP.
Yeah. So that's it. So this.
Thank you. You do the animation. You always download into MP4, right?
Yeah. Okay. Unless you receive a lot of emails from me from District 30, right? And almost all the emails I have animations. Those are the GIF images.
Oh, GIF. Okay.
Yeah. Did you for example, I just check some of the emails. They are usually in a. Did you see here?
Yeah.
Like ring. This is the animation I made. I made in Photoshop. This is I made in Canva. So those are GIF. Means you don't have to click a play button. It would play by itself.
Okay. Because I tried before, but for some reason they did not. Again, I'm using my phone all the time, so I'm not sure whether I'm saving it to the right thing or not. Also
for GIF, actually, there's a limit, like a size limit or frame limit. So it depends on your email platform, your email service provider. For example, for constant contact, the good thing is I know Photoshop too. So when I download the GIF from Canva, usually it doesn't allow me to upload to constant contact. And I need to import it to Photoshop to re-export to
I see. Okay.
GIF. Yeah, it's basically I do twice of that work, which is unfortunate, but I can't do much about it.
So you always to photo, then you upload it?
I created for example, I created the Canva animation. If I want to upload to constant contact, it doesn't allow me. I have no idea. The size or the format, I don't know. But once I put in Photoshop and then export it to GIF, then it works as long as it's under 5 megabytes. Okay. Thank you for your questions, and I hope it's useful.
Yeah, I know it's very useful. Thank you for this information. Yeah, I wasn't able to attend your presentation during the conference, and I was glad that you decided to do it during this last meeting. So it's very nice.